In this task, we need to connect it to app server 2 and we need to enable executable permissions on this file. So we need to make sure that all users can execute on that file. So let's connect to that file. So click for users, username is Steve, get this password. On app server 2, be a sudo user. Okay, let's jump into that folder. If I do ls-l, so I can see all the files, and this one, it doesn't have any permissions yet, so I'm gonna add it executable permission for xfusioncorp.sh. So if I do ls-l on that one, so it has executable permissions. If I try to execute it, it's working. So they said that we need to make sure to run with all other users. So if you run that command again, so it has users has executable permissions, group has, and others as well. So let's create a user just to test. User add Madhu and then switch to Madhu user. Okay, if I run OMI, it says Madhu. If I try to run that file, it says permission denied. So if you just give executable permissions on this one and if you check it, it's gonna fail. So because why, even though it has executable permissions, why it is showing that permission denied? So while running, the bash needs to have read permissions to read this file, then only it can execute. So that's what we need to do it. And then what I'm going to do, chmod, you can say rw plus rw, actually plus read and execute, sorry, rx, and then give the file name. If you do ls-l again, now it has read executable, and read executable. If you switch to mother user now, if you try to run it, now it's working. So this is how you can achieve. If you are confused about these permissions where I gave this one, sometimes I use numbers as well, so just watch my videos in Linux series, so that makes it easy for you to understand how these permission things work. That's all for this video. Let's check this. Yeah, it's been successful now. Thank you so much for watching.